Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a clutch on a Mini Cooper. First, gather all necessary tools and parts, including a new clutch kit, flywheel bolts, and transmission fluid. Ensure you have a transmission jack and engine support. Next, disconnect the battery for safety. Safely lift your Mini Cooper onto sturdy jack stands. Then, drain the transmission fluid and carefully remove both drive axles from the transmission. This prepares the vehicle for further disassembly. Now, let's move on to removing the transmission. You'll need to remove the front bumper assembly and the subframe to gain adequate access. Disconnect the clutch slave cylinder and any shifter linkages attached to the transmission. Crucially, support the engine with an engine support bar or stand. With the engine secured, unbolt the transmission from the engine block and carefully lower it using a transmission jack. Take your time to ensure no components are missed. With the transmission out, you can now access the clutch assembly. Remove the old pressure plate, clutch disc, and flywheel. Inspect the flywheel for any heat spots or damage. It's often recommended to resurface or replace it for optimal performance. Install the new clutch disc and pressure plate, making sure to use a clutch alignment tool to center the disc perfectly. This ensures proper engagement and prevents future issues. Now for reassembly. Carefully raise and reinstall the transmission, ensuring it aligns correctly with the engine and the new clutch. Tighten all transmission bolts to their specified torque. Reconnect all components you removed earlier, including the drive axles, clutch slave cylinder, and shifter linkages. Refill the transmission with the correct fluid and bleed the clutch system. Remember to check the description below for a link to an insightful book and other helpful deals. Finally, lower the vehicle and test the new clutch operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.